back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. I could explain. I can explain. I probably will explain, but I just wanted to say hi first. I'm just refilling my dish box. Okay. Normally I come on here and I would say, so I haven't been vlogging for a while. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks, but you shouldn't notice it at all. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna notice this break that I took. So let's start at the beginning, right? I stopped vlogging I didn't vlog for basically the whole of June. I knew it was going to be a hectic month. I just didn't know the extent of it. I didn't know how crazy it was going to be. So, oh, nice. It was crazy. And I guess we'll just recap from the beginning. So the month of June started, it started with the wedding. It was that first week of June. I think you're still on that section at the moment when I'm recording this. Started with the wedding, and I had left you behind because I was so overwhelmed with driving there. I was driving a car that wasn't mine, or wasn't the car that was like I was used to. So I was extremely nervous. And it was just it was a stressful week and weekend overall because we went to the wedding on Friday. It's about a 4-hour drive. We drove there, slept at an Airbnb, and then we drove back on the Saturday after the wedding. It was a beautiful wedding. I'll insert some pictures now. And so we came back on the Saturday. I think we left at like 3. I think we arrived at like 7. The very next morning at around 7 o'clock, we had to be at my sister's nursing school because she was starting that. And that week, there was just no rest because the next morning, 7 a.m. or rather, we had to wake up at 5 to be able to leave at 7. So we went to her nursing school. She started, there were problems. Long story short, she's not in it anymore. Yeah, it was crazy. After that, I was busy with assignments back to back. I'm still busy with assignments right now, but I just submitted one that was due today. I submitted it yesterday, so I feel like I can breathe even though I have one due in about 7 days now. And then I have a quiz due in about 10 days as well. So it's kind of hectic, but it's less hectic than it was last week. So after the wedding, it was back-to-back assignments, and then it was my birthday. It was nice. We got some cake, and we went out for dinner, and then it was my brother-in-law's surprise birthday party, which, yeah, it was so lovely. And I didn't vlog any of it because I was just like shut down. I was gone off of the vlog space. And so we have my brother's surprise birthday party. I'll insert a couple of clips now. Really fun. It was the day after my birthday. His birthday is the day before mine. So anyway, it was a birthday, and then it was just exams, just like crunch time. And so it is like the 5th, 8th, 9th, 11th of July. And this is the first time I'm picking up the vlog camera since, I want to say since a couple days after the wedding. It's crazy. It was just it was a lot. June felt like a tornado. So yeah, it was crazy. I didn't vlog. I've been in my books, my school books. I've been like on my computer 24/7. I did take a break my birthday weekend, but that put me behind a bit, so that was a bad idea. But yeah, it was crazy. June was crazy. I don't think I vlogged any of it, and if I did, it was really like small snippets of whatever I wanted to show you at the time, but I'm pretty sure I didn't vlog at all. But I do have some stuff from Woolies. I've had this stuff for over a month now, and I've just been meaning to show you so I can actually wear them, but I just didn't feel like picking up the camera. And every time that I did feel like picking up the camera, I would take it with me, but then I wouldn't vlog. It was just, I don't know, it was kind of like a weird limbo, but I really want to get back into it because you guys want to see the vlogs, and I know some of you want longer vlogs. I'm gonna try my best, okay? First things first, look at my nails. They're really subtle. I like them. Last time I had black nails. I don't know if you saw that. It was my birthday, so I had black and gold. Black and purple. Oh yeah, load shedding happened as well, like the big one where we were getting like stage 6 load shedding. It's still happening. But yeah, it's just been a crazy couple of weeks here. But I'm gonna show you what I got from Woolies. I'm pretty sure I showed you these slippers when I took them out of the bag and I decided to wear them. This is what they look like. Super cute, absolutely adorable. This fur is so soft, you can literally see how soft it is. It's so good. So yeah, I got these. I took a video of the price, I'm pretty sure, but they're super cute. They're like Birkenstocks. Not a fan of Birkenstocks, but these are absolutely adorable. They do need to be broken in, but once they're broken in, they're like really comfortable, so no complaints. I haven't worn them that much because they are open-toed. Okay, I also got these. Oh my god, I haven't worn these like since I got them because I've been waiting to film this, and it's crazy because it's been so long. It's been like well overdue. But it's these cute little short slippers. I'm pretty sure I might have shown you on the day that I got them. But the video where we went to the mall to go get them like just went live. It's like my latest video. It's a vlog before the iPad video. But this is the price. And it was, I think it was 30% off. I'm not sure. But they were on promotion. I got this beautiful brown color because it's my favorite. I also got this pajama set. Which I'm pretty sure I might have taken a video of the price. But it doesn't have a price tag because I wore them. I wore them on the trip to Newcastle for the wedding. But it's this cute oatmeal color with these black hearts. I absolutely love it. They're super comfortable, super stretchy. Elasticated waistband. I got these in a size XXL. And yeah, they're super comfortable. And then the shirt is long sleeve. And it's just a regular scoop neck shirt. Woolworths does have nice sets, but their sets are sold separately. I believe this one wasn't, but I might be mistaken, it's been so long. But their sets are they're usually priced separately. The next thing that I got is this pajama pant. It's this super soft material. These were $3.50, but all of these things were 30% off. It's this cute like peachy pink color, and it's got little circles, which now that I look at them, it kind of looks like stains, which is not my intention. And then last thing that I got from Woolworths. Okay, first of all, this is a no judgment zone, so yeah, I know what you're thinking, but it's white. Are you kidding me? It's actually white. I'm beautiful. It's the teddy bear gown from Woolies. I have the brown one. I'm pretty sure you know. So here's the price and the tag. I got it in a 2XL. My brown one was in a 1X. It was $500, but it was 40% off. All of these things were 40% off. I want to say this is gonna be the last one that I buy, like forever, gown wise, but I've been wanting a waffle gown for a while. I might get it, but I might not. I'm kind of like trying to be hard on myself because this is the third gown that I bought, excluding the ones I got from Pretty Little Thing, which weren't great at all. But this one's white. I just had to get it. It's so pretty. It's so warm. You know? So, yeah. That's everything that I got from there. What else has happened? I don't know. A lot's happening right now. A lot. I'm still doing my assignment. I have a quiz to do. I'm trying to contact someone about power sources, alternative power sources, that is. That's kind of been my life. I also got pants from Kelso. These were in a 3XL and they were $200, but they were 50% off, so they were $100. Beautiful lilac color. I don't have them with me right now, but I will show them to you. They have a paper bag waist. They're really cute. The only thing about them is they don't have pockets, which, like, it's a big deal. Yeah, I had to take a minute. Got some really sad news, so I took a minute. But I think we're gonna go to Gwynedd Square, which is like a new little shopping center that opened not too far away. So we're gonna go and check that out. We're gonna go to the Checkers, and then I don't know what's happening, but I guess I'll try and bring you along for everything. So let's go.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it.
Hi everyone, so today's Tuesday. I have to go to the mall to get my glasses adjusted. I might bring you along, but I don't know. So I'm gonna try. Let's actually go.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
Hi everyone. So we've tried this already, you and I. I tried to film last week, and so I watched it back. I really tried. Like, I tried a couple times, and I watched it back and I was like, this is not the energy. So I stopped and I didn't film that whole week. I got some really sad news. I think it was Tuesday. Got some really sad news. It took up the rest of my week along with the weekend. Today's Monday. We're going back just to check on everyone and my gran. But yeah, I had every intention of vlogging last week. I had plans. I had, a to-do list. Like, I was on my grind. And then I was off my grind. So today's Monday. It's my day to cook. It's 12:45. I'm pretty sure my sister's on her way here, so we can go back and check on everyone. I just wanted to update you. I'm gonna leave you because you're on 41%. Yeah, we have load shedding as well. Load shedding has been crazy, like crazy. So yeah, I'm actually really hungry. I haven't been eating well. I want to get back on my proper eating schedule, which I usually have breakfast at around 12:1, and then lunch at around 4, and then dinner at around 8. So that was kind of how I was doing it. But this week everything like fell apart, and I've been having lunch at like 4, no breakfast, and then dinner. So I want to fix that. Yeah, there's no plan. We don't have any plans for this week. We had plans for last week, and now we don't have any plans for this week. Except I'm getting my nails done. That's it. So I will, bring you along if I do anything fun. But for now, I just wanted to check in and let you know that I'm back. I just had a little bit of a hiccup last week. So yeah, I'll see you guys later or tomorrow.